I switched sides of the track quickly. Had about a good 30 seconds to do so. Here comes I032 now. I'm gonna try to get the symbol on that rock train there. It is some kind of work train. I think there's a bruised DC leading. Yeah, the horn is bruised. Listen at it, really low. $54.39 is sick. Triple Crown trailer on here somewhere, I believe. Saw it when I went through Folkestone earlier. There it is there. Another long I032 tonight. Last night it was long. I think it was a little longer last night. Symbol on that train is a CSX I032 Intermodal combo train, a really long one. Just like last night's one. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to North Bergen, New Jersey, where it terminates. You guys can see two Freddy's down there blinking. That rock train is on the other track over there.